Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I'm continuing the series Starting 501c3 Nonprofits, and we are on step 6 of 20, which deals with quantitative goals. Quantitative goals provide the measurable outputs nonprofit professionals establish as a measure of successful program implementation. An example of a quantitative goal is ABC organization plans to provide toiletries and water for 50 homeless people on the first Saturday of each month. Because it gives you a measurable or tangible thing that you can determine or use to determine whether or not you've met the goal. It's called an output. When you apply for grant funding, the grant application will ask you to list the outputs that you believe your organization will generate after they implement or after you implement program services. So in this example, the quantitative goal or output is serving 50 homeless people on the first Saturday of each month. Okay, so you can measure whether or not you met that goal at the end of the year by calculating how many homeless people you would have had to serve in a year in order to meet your goal. And the answer to that is 600. So if your organization states that their quantitative goal or the output is serving 50 homeless people on the first Saturday of each month, that's 50 times 12 Saturdays, which is a total of 600 homeless people. So a grant funder will give you the resources that you need in order to meet that goal. However, at the end of the year, when you have to provide a report on the ways in which you use the grant funding to serve 600 homeless people, you need to be able to prove that you did meet that quantitative goal. Again, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.